Two popular prepaid carriers. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, US Mobile, the plan customizing powerhouse. And on the right, Straight Talk, the easy-to-find, no-fuss favorite from Walmart. Let's skip the buzzwords and look at what really matters. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner for 2025 might surprise you. All right, here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to compare, just to set the stage. We've got price and value, coverage and network options, data speeds and priority, features and perks, and convenience and customer service. Trust me, each category is kind of a big deal. First things first, let's talk money. So US Mobile is all about flexibility. I mean, you can start with plans as low as $8 a month if you go annual, and even build your own combos with talk, text, and data add-ons. That's honestly super cool. They give you unlimited at $35, but if you want the super premium stuff, it's $45 and 100 gigabytes. Not bad. The only thing? Multi-line discounts aren't massive, like $10 off if you've got 4 lines. Still, it's more customizable than most operators out there. Switching over to Straight Talk, the vibe is definitely more basic. One price, super simple, and if you're rolling with your family or roommates, the multi-line savings for 2 or 3 lines are actually solid, but, less flexibility. And if you want unlimited, you're starting at $65, which is kind of up there. Not much room to play. So for price and value, it's US Mobile taking the win. More options, better entry prices, just generally less stress about the bill. Let's keep rolling. Next up, coverage and network stuff, which, trust me, people are obsessed with. US Mobile's kind of wild here. You literally pick Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T, depending which one crushes it in your area. So if your friends swear by one carrier, that's an easy pick. Plus, the 5G and LTE coverage is really solid. The only catch? On the cheap plans, you might get slowed down when the network gets busy. On the other hand, Straight Talk rolls on Verizon, which a lot of people consider the gold standard for reliability. So you know your calls and texts are going to come through, but you don't get a say. It's Verizon, and that's that. So if your town's Verizon coverage is patchy, you're kind of stuck. Overall, US Mobile is taking it again. The freedom to pick your network is a big deal. Next category. All right, moving to data speeds and priority, because nobody wants YouTube buffering, right? US Mobile actually gives you priority data if you're on their unlimited premium. So if the network gets crowded, your speeds stay up. And hotspots included on those premium plans, which is honestly awesome for road trips or remote work. But yeah, if you go for cheaper plans, priority isn't really a thing. Straight Talk does throw in hotspot on select plans, but when it gets busy, you're all battling for the same slice of bandwidth. No priority, so sometimes it's meh. So, US Mobile's coming out ahead again. If fast data matters to you, especially during crowded times, it's a clear pick. Pause for a sec. Did you know US Mobile actually lets you pick your network? So if you live in a big city, you can literally test unlimited 5G on 3 giants and see which one's fastest for you. That's kind of wild in 2025, right? Let's look at features and perks. So US Mobile is kind of flexing with international roaming on some plans, which is brilliant if you're traveling. But wait. Here's something cool for families. If you go for certain family plans, you can snag free streaming, like Netflix, Disney+, Spotify. Genuinely fun surprise, right? They even throw in a 100-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it, risk-free. The catch? Most of these perks live on their higher-cost plans. Still, not bad. Straight Talk does have some extras. Cloud storage and international calling on select plans. Not bad for basic perks. But no roaming or those Netflix-level streaming deals. Also, if you try it and hate it, there's no money-back guarantee. So, US Mobile sweeps this one too. Tons of fun and functional perks if you pick the right plan. Last big category, convenience and customer service. US Mobile's got 24/7 support, so if you're the kind of person who forgets how to turn off roaming at 3 a.m., you're covered. All the account stuff is super flexible online. But, and it's a big but, you're not going to find US Mobile stations at every street corner. You kind of have to live on the internet. Now, Straight Talk. You want simple, in-person activation? It's at Walmart and a bunch of other stores everywhere in the country. So, if you hate phone calls or need a SIM, chances are you can pick it up today. Simpler plans, less tech stress, maybe better for like grandparents or if you just don't want to deal with apps. The only hiccup is their support hours are limited. So, don't expect midnight help. This round? Straight Talk gets the win. For brick-and-mortar convenience, it's hard to beat. So here's a snapshot of the scores. US Mobile is kinda owning most categories. Maybe not by a mile, but those perks and flexibility really stack up. Straight Talk's got the edge when it comes to real-world convenience, especially if you want your phone activated yesterday. So at the end of the day, US Mobile is perfect for anyone who wants hyper-customizable plans, streaming perks, or loves having options for network coverage. If you're about simplicity, saving on multi-lines, and walking into a store for instant activation, Straight Talk makes your life easy. All right, so what's more important for you? A super flexible plan packed with perks? Or a no-fuss setup you can grab at Walmart? Take a second. Compare what coverage looks like in your neighborhood before you jump